How to write research article step-by-step work procedure guide. Choose a research topic. Select a topic that you are interested in and has enough sources to support your study. Review literature. Read and analyze existing research on the topic to gather background information and identify gaps in the existing knowledge. Develop a research question. Based on your review of the literature, formulate a clear and focused research question. Design a study. Determine the methodology and methods you will use to collect and analyze data. Collect data. Gather data using the methods outlined in your study design. Analyze data. Use statistical methods or other techniques to analyze the data you have collected. Write introduction. Provide background information on the topic, explain the research question, and provide a clear statement of the study's objectives and hypothesis. Present the results. Present the findings from your data analysis in a clear and organized manner. Discuss results. Interpret the results, draw conclusions, and discuss the implications of your findings. Write conclusion. Summarize the main findings, restate the research question, and discuss the overall significance of your study. Reference. Include a list of all the sources you have used in your research. Revise and edit. Carefully proofread and edit your article to ensure that it is clear, concise, and error-free. Submit the article. Submit your completed research article to a suitable journal or conference for publication.